So I'm just gonna take off the fairings. I'm gonna try to stick to the bottom portion only, see if I can. I think it separates from the top, so that's good. I don't have to take apart as much. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts to take off the lower portion. Then don't forget to disconnect the connector. You don't want to rip that out. Not sure why this scooter's here. Okay. Let's take a look here. Alright, here we go. There's 2 bolts holding the batteries, and I just need to, I don't know if you can see everything, but yeah, you can see that if I point it up. Yeah, sometimes just disconnect the connector. So disconnect the connector, and then this whole thing should come out. And then I like to leave this here. I don't know why, just because. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. This is nice. This thing just gets right up in there. I don't really care about all that other stuff. I just need to get it off just a tippy tip so I can get my soldering iron in here. And that's all I need. I just need the wires from here. I'm gonna transfer them over to these other 2 batteries, and then the kids won't fight as much. They'll still fight, I know it, because I only have 2 bikes and 4 kids. But hopefully it'll be a little easier, less fighting on the kids. Alright, that's the tape I want. Put that back. Yeah, I know I need to clean up my workbench badly, but you know, I will. I could use tweezers for this. I don't really need anything tough. Yeah, I don't know, I think it'll reach. You don't have to do all this stuff like covering up these contacts, but it was already there. I didn't feel like cleaning it off, so I just did it. Okay, I don't remember how it was on there, but I'm gonna guess that it was something like this. And let's do it. Hold on, we have a problem. There's extra weight here. Need to get that out of there. Nope. Yeah, I really think these bikes would be pretty nice with lithium batteries, but that's just too much work. I'm not. I got better things to do. I love my kids, but not that much. So it's a motorcycle. You always use a thread locker on motorcycle. Use the blue on these bigger ones and the smaller ones. I like to use the pink because they get stuck on the blue one, and all you need is like a drop or even a half a drop for these small ones. My camera angle ain't good. I hope this lens is wide enough to capture everything I'm doing. This might make it easier. If you don't know how to use a drill professionally, use a screwdriver or your fingers to get it going. It's a lot safer that way, so you don't cross thread it. These should be going in, even though it's a Chinese scooter, the threads are pretty good on here and they should go in almost by hand. Not this one though. Nope, I'm gonna force this one a little bit. I don't think it's bent, but you know what, I better check. Alright, so it doesn't look bent, so I think it's safe to force it a little bit. It's on there straight, so that's what I'm gonna do. Gosh, I could cross thread it though. I don't like cross threading. I hate cross threading. It's gotta be a better way. I don't want to cross thread it. Why is that not? It came out normally, so it should go in normally. That's what I don't like about working on Chinese stuff. You end up with stuff like this all the time. So I'm gonna loosen this one up quite a bit and hope that that'll push that down further hard. And I really need to get the other one was no problem. This one's just not going in. It looks straight. I'm not sure why it's not going in. Alright, well, here we go. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna force it. If anything, I just use a different bolt, cut a new thread, deal with it that way, I guess. It's fine. It's not A1A's fine. I was stressing for no reason. So it comes out to about a quarter thread extra, so the batteries are on here. They're solid. Time to put the fairings on. I like using these little drills because they don't have too much power, and so they usually tighten things for me just perfect. Connect the battery connector back. Don't forget the charger connector. And now you can put the fairing on. Good time to clean the bike. It doesn't look very dirty, it's just a little grass on the back that'll come off. Alright, since the bike is up, I'm just going to start on the bottom bolts. But I would probably, the right way to do it is probably start with the top ones so that it can stay on, but I don't think it's going to be a problem in this case. Sorry, I might be mumbling in this video a lot. That's just what I do. I'm working on it. I'm aware. Whoa. Yep, started on the top one. I just couldn't help it. Just didn't feel right starting on the bottom. Oh no, that's one of those long ones. I don't like that. What's the problem here? No, they're all the same. Something else is going on here. Come on, man, quit playing. Just, I don't know, maybe my battery's dying. I sit a lot because my feet hurt, so I was in a head-on collision. Only survived by the grace of God. If it wasn't for God, I wouldn't be here today, I promise you that. Many times. Okay, I just ruined that big time. Ruined it. But it wasn't going in for nothing. something got jacked up. Oh well. Whatever. I mean, it's not like it's necessary. Anyways, so the rest of them are going in just fine. So like I said, Chinese bolts, they're not the best. They have soft metal and they have soft metal and they don't make the threads perfect. That one didn't go in very far. Makes me a little worried. You know what, I might have screwed up on that one. I don't know. Oh, I hate that. I hate that. I hate ruining stuff like that. I don't know. Let's see if... Just don't know what to do. There's something wrong here. So if you can't get something to bolt in, you just wiggle it as you put it in. You know what? It's good enough. I'm not even going to tighten it this time. Why? At least I can keep reusing it the way it is, better than not having nothing. Okay guys, job complete.